Welcome to Famety.com. Today we would like to introduce you to our tool, TikTok Bio Generator. TikTok bios are the first thing to see when someone visits your page. With an engaging bio, you can catch the attention of TikTok users, and they can start following you on TikTok. Famety TikTok Bio Generator works with artificial intelligence technology. When you enter a few words about yourself and your style, the AI-powered bio generator provides the best bios tailored to your profile. Famety offers the AI bio generator free and unlimited. With the help of AI technology, Bio Generator creates the most eye-catching bios in a few seconds. Using the tool is quite easy and fast. You can use the Bio Generator whenever you want to have an aesthetic TikTok bio. And this is how to use TikTok Bio Generator. Follow the steps to use it. Select your style in the Tone Style section. Select your account type in the Account Type section. You can select personal or company. Describe with a few words your TikTok profile. Click on the Generate button. The TikTok bios tailored to your preferences will be created in a few seconds. And that's it. Grab the attention of users and reach users quickly by creating a more optimized profile with our TikTok Bio Generator tool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.